Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of being slow on the application of eBay. You will click on settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about eBay and you will click. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.